Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to backup chats on WhatsApp. To do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp and after that click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and after that click on Settings. Scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Chats. Click on it, and after that scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Chat Backup. Click on it, and as you can see on the top of the screen, there is a button called Backup. You just need to click on it, and as you can see, in just a few seconds I did my backup. And by the way, the time of doing the backup depends on the number of the messages that you have and the media that there is on them. So sometimes your backup time will be a few minutes. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.